this is what is happening today, Saturday in the evening, and this is what I'm feeling for. Hey no limiters, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cindy. No limits, because there's no limit to what you can do. From you perceive it, you can achieve it. And you know what we're about to do today, right? We're about to cook some chicken foot. Yeah, chicken foot. My love chicken foot. Bad. That me feel for today. So that is what it is about today. No, I ain't no chef, so I'm going to be doing this my way. All right, my way. We have a seasoning, we have a chicken foot. Yeah, clean, nice, wash, right, that's so. And then we have our chopped seasoning right here. We have our scallion, thyme, garlic, scotch bonnet pepper, sweet pepper, onion, tomato, all of that right there. So yep. And there, so we have our powdered seasoning. We have some all-purpose meat seasoning, chicken spice, black pepper, no salt, because you know that them contain salt, right? So we don't need to have no salt, some Gaia all-purpose and all of that right there. So, and we're gonna put all of this pan with chicken foot, yeah? So all of this I go pan all of that, right? Because we are seasoning it up well nice, right? So we just pour out all of that on it, and then we just go mix it up together. Just mix it up and just mix it in, and we're gonna mix it up nicely, and then we're going to put it to marinate, you know, so that the seasoning can seep in through the skin and go into it. Yeah, so we're making sure that all of the feet are covered. Yeah man, so that's what we're about. So put that down to marinate, and then we're gonna put our pot, you know, on the fire after maybe marinate for about 3 hours or so. Pot on the fire, light the fire underneath that. We're gonna make that heat up a little bit, and yeah, then we're gonna put our foot in. But me forget about the pot, and guess what? It eat up whole heap. Yeah, so it eat up more than a little bit. But anyways, no worry about that. We're now gonna put our chicken foot into the pot with the oil. Now remember, this is my way of doing it. So maybe you have another way of doing it. This is my way. Alright, so put the chicken foot into the pot with the oil, and because we want it to get a little brown, you know, and then we're gonna tip a little water into it, not too much, just a little bit of water, and we're going to just leave it there and let it get brown. You understand? Because we want it to get a little color, and we don't want to use any browning, you know, so we just want it to get the color all by itself. So we're just going to cover the pot and leave it there to go and steam little in the oil, yeah, and make it catch the color. And if you look at it, you can see that it start getting the color already. All right, so we cover it down, and we're gonna check on it now and see what's happening. All right, so open it up and make we see what's going on inside there. All right, see it there, looking nice and catching the color. Now if you are hungry and you want something quick and fast, this isn't it. All right, chicken foot, it takes a while to cook. All right, because remember that it is mostly bone. So yeah, chicken foot really take a while for cook. All right, so we'll just turn them over into the oil and make sure that they are all getting nicely colored. Check back on it a few minutes later, see what's going on in there, and maybe tip a little more water in it. Now, not too much water, just a little bit of water in it. And as you can see, it is getting the color nicely, and that is just what we want, right? Yeah, so smell good already. All right, the next time we open it up, we are going to put in our chopped seasoning. All right, so yeah, when we open it again, that is what is going to happen. But guess what? I forget that I was cooking, you know. I forget that I was videoing, right? And so I put the chopped seasoning in there without videoing that. But don't worry, it's in there. Our scallion, thyme, tomato, sweet pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, garlic, all of that in there. And look at it. I mean, it's just looking really nice. Like I could have, teeth out a piece. But as I said, it's chicken foot and it takes a while to cook. All right, so we ain't gonna do that. We're just gonna leave it there, and we're gonna cover it down and just make it go and take it time and cook. Yeah, but it look good already. Talk truth. Don't it look good already? Yeah, so cover that down and leave it there for a while. Just look at that. Look at that. Look at that. That look good. Talk truth. All right, let's see what's going on in the pot now. It is getting ready. Smell good, look good. Trust me, it's gonna taste even better. Now remember that this is my way of cooking. I am no chef, I'm a teacher. All right, I'm a teacher and not a teacher of cooking. Right, I don't teach cooking. All right, so this is my way of cooking chicken foot. And as I've said before, I didn't start cooking until late in my life, and so I learn as I go along, and there are some things that I think I do a pretty good job at. So this is one of them, I should say. Yeah, chicken foot. Because I was never a kitchen person, So, girl, get ring now. You have to try a thing. A joke. I've been cooking before I got the ring, but yeah. All right. So now we're going to put into our pot some carrot and some some Irish potato and some carrot. We're gonna put that in because this is like on the final lap of the cooking. All right, so we're just gonna put that in and stir it up a bit and make sure say all of those get inside, underneath, in between and around, Yep. And then we're gonna tip a little more water in it, and when these cook, then we're gonna put something else in the pot, right? All right, so we're just gonna tip a little water upon this now. Yeah, tip a little water, and then we're gonna cover him down again. This I love how it look. It's really looking good, and it's going to look even better. Wait, and look good. It tastes even better. Yep. Yeah, man, I love chicken foot. Bad. So this is one of my specialties that I cook now. Yeah, because I'm learning new things and doing new things. But cover on that. All right. Next time we come back. Oh, the rice. Yeah, with some white rice. And girl can cook rice, look on the rice. Nice shelly rice over there. So, well, buttery. Yep. And that's not for Obi, that's for me, because Obi don't want white rice. Yeah. All right. Now we're gonna put in some ketchup, because this is the final lap, So we're gonna put some ketchup, and when this dry out now, that is it. So some ketchup, and a little thing that I love to put into my chicken when I'm cooking it. No matter what I'm doing with chicken, well, if I'm currying it, I won't put it there. But yeah, if I'm doing like brown stew or pork or anything like that, I like to use my barbecue sauce. So I'm going to put some barbecue sauce in that too. And we are going to just get that all over into the pot. And it's going to give it a very nice, pretty color. You see it? So we get that all over into the pot. I'm going to tell you, say, mouth around water. Can't wait to eat this. Yo, it was good. So we'll just get that all over in it so that it's spread right around in the pot. And when this dries out now, when it go down, yeah, then it's the end. Look at the color. Look at the color. Look at the color. Look at the color of it. Test the Irish to see if It's cook. Because we don't want to eat raw Irish, right? Carrot can raw, but we don't want to eat raw Irish. Alright. I'm going to say the color just look good. And the pot just smell good. Look good. We know it going to taste good. The shelly rice over there, so. Shelly buttery rice over there, so. Ready. Yeah. This is not curry rice. This is shelly rice. Yeah, man. I can't wait. I can't wait. Yeah, this looks good. Playtime, and yeah, there you have it, people. My stewed chicken foot and my shelly rice on a Saturday. Yeah, this is what is going down. Look good, smell good, taste even better. All right, I just want to say thank you, No Limits family, for being a part of the family. Thank you for liking, subscribing, sharing all the time. Thank you for commenting. All right, big up, big up, big up on yourself. One love. Make sure you keep safe. Me, I gonna shell this down. Until next time, peace.
She draw closer to me.